About this item: wrapped gift video game 3-axis motion sensing, features the C and Z buttons as well as an analog stick. Frees you to aim and fire using a more natural motion with the Wii Remote. Wrapped gift video game easy to install. Connect the Nunchuck controller replacement to the Wii Remote and get ready. You've just begun a journey into the most immersive, heated gameplay experience ever offered. Wrapped gift video game left/right hand use, greatly suitable for either right or left hand use. Use it to have a better control of your character, promote the accuracy all kinds of specific action, whether it's throwing a pass in football or aiming arranged in an action game. Wrapped gift video game excellent compatibility. The item made by third party, not produced by Nintendo. It is compatible with Nintendo's Wii and Wii U consoles. When playing Wii relative games, the same function of this remote and Nunchuck will bring you more joy and happiness. Wrapped gift video game after sales service. If the product has any quality problems, if you have any questions about the product, you can contact us at any time. Our products will provide you with a 180-day return and exchange service. Our after-sales service will be 24 hours. You provide the most satisfactory help. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: wrapped gift video game 3-axis motion sensing, features the C and Z buttons as well as an analog stick. Frees you to aim and fire using